Hi, my name's Joanne. Welcome to another episode of 1 Minute Appliance Review with Canadian Appliance Source. Here to talk to you about this model LRFCS2503D, which is your black stainless steel, shown here in stainless steel. It's a 33-inch, full depth refrigerator, fingerprint resistant, LED lighting, nice full depth so you have maximum capacity, large door bins so that you can store more product, glides really nicely in the deli drawer as well as the crispers, all across shelves that are spill proof. Has your multi-airflow, which allows to filter out the air so you're not smelling bad food or tasting bad food with your vegetables. Has ice in the freezer, as well as plastic drawers that glide nice and smoothly. If you have any other questions about this or any model we carry at Canadian Appliance Source, feel free to reach out to me directly by phone at extension 822. Or you can visit us at canadianappliance.ca, go to the bottom right-hand corner, open up a chat, and ask for Joanne. And don't forget, make sure you mention you saw me on 1 Minute Info for my VIP price on all appliances and even extended warranties.